Welcome! Today, we're diving into something truly exciting. The 2026 Tesla Model Q. Tesla has always pushed boundaries. This latest offering is no exception. As we explore the Model Q, you'll notice a design that's both sleek and functional. It's built with an eye for efficiency, aiming to make your daily drives smoother and more enjoyable. The interior is where Tesla's commitment to innovation truly shines. Expect a minimalist, yet intuitive cab designed to put you in complete control without overwhelming you. One of the most anticipated aspects is the advanced driver assistance system. Tesla continues to refine its autopilot capabilities, and the Model Q is set to benefit from these advancements, offering a more confident and secure driving experience. Safety remains a paramount concern, and the Model Q is engineered with robust safety features to protect you and your passengers. When it comes to performance, the Model Q promises that signature Tesla responsiveness. You'll feel an immediate connection to the road with acceleration that's both exhilarating and smooth. And of course, the electric powertrain means you're contributing to a cleaner future with every mile. Charging infrastructure is also a key consideration, and Tesla's expanding network makes owning an electric vehicle more practical than ever. The 2026 Tesla Model Q represents a significant step forward in electric mobility. It's a vehicle designed for the modern driver, blending cutting-edge technology with practical, everyday usability. Thank you for joining us on this look at the 2026 Tesla Model Q. We hope this overview has been informative and inspiring. If you found this review helpful, please consider following our channel for more insights into the future of